And watch the blood on their hands consume their days, like a shroud cast upon their fading hearts, like a shroud cast upon their fading hearts. And the heaven of darkness offered no reply, and in a single black motion